Opening of the K2 rider, Andrea Locatelli. This is a large size, so that's the Leopard. The SRP for this one is 3,500 pesos only. So you got the bag. So K2 rider, you have the double visor. So you just have to push it down here to open. That's it. And put it back there. So this one is at 3.5 entry level. You have the front in the vent in the front, vent on the top. On the side there, Leopard, ICC stickers. So this one, you have the vent in the back. So this one is really the entry level from KYT. I think the RC7 is at 3.2, so it's cheaper than this. So in case you don't find the TT course but you still want entry level, you can get this one for 3.5 SRP. And the Leopard design is really on demand, no matter the design, no matter the model, whether it's Vendetta, TT or K2. So it's very famous. It's really good looking, I think, and it's good if you want a budget meal for helmet. You get a safe quality helmet still on a good price for 3.5. Yeah. Apart from KYT helmet, we also have TT course dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil, 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Repro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available. So you just have to check in a link in this description for eClaw by Manila on Facebook and just send us a message.